Today I'm going to share with you the 3 things you must do if you get road paint on your vehicle. I'm Brent Matheson at Revive Auto Detailing here in Greenland, New Hampshire, and we deal with stuff like this all the time. But these 3 things are not the 3 things that most people first think of. The first thing that people often want to do is try to solve the problem themselves. And I'm here to tell you, this is a major undertaking if you get a significant amount of road paint on your vehicle. It is not something for the amateur to tackle. So the 3 things I recommend you do, first and foremost, reach out to your insurance company. This typically is going to get into over $1,000 to get paint off of your vehicle. You want them involved. The second thing you want to do is find out who's responsible for the road paint. Is it the city municipality? Is it a state-owned or a federal-owned road? Most of these have processes in place to deal with people that get road paint on their vehicle. And then the third thing you want to do is reach out to a detail shop or a body shop that you trust that has experience removing road paint from the vehicle. All 3 of these things are things you want to do quickly because the longer the paint stays on the vehicle, the harder it is to remove. In this vehicle we have here, it took 28 days before the insurance company approved the work that's being done on this vehicle. Something that if we got it in much more quickly could have been done in less time. With 2 benefits to that. 1, it's going to cost less to do. 2, you're going to be without your vehicle for less time. If there's anything we can do to help remove road paint from your vehicle, reach out to us here at Revive Auto Detailing.